Welcome back to the garage. What I got going on tonight is I'm going to separate the engine from the transmission. I want to do that so I can sit the transmission on a cart, roll it back out of the way for now, and I'll probably strip down some of the accessories on the motor and get them out of the way just to clean it up a bit and replace a few gaskets before it goes back in the truck. Alright, I put 2 bolts in the top just to keep it together while I was taking the rest of the fittings apart for the transmission lines. So now's the moment of truth. Am I going to be able to lift this up and get the transmission onto this little cart without dumping the torque converter and fluid out all over the ground? Probably not, but we'll see. Fingers crossed. Torque converter's still in place. Nothing short of a Christmas miracle that I didn't lose fluid out all over the ground. It's not really a big deal because I plan on changing it, but I just got the floor cleaned not too long ago, and I've been buying floor dry so much that it's driving me crazy. So get this pushed out of the way, off to the side, and I will get to taking some of these accessories off this engine. that'll do it for this video. Next video, I plan on taking this engine outside and getting it cleaned up really good with a power washer. I left the injection pump and the exhaust manifold on here just so that I don't have to worry about getting a lot of water down inside the engine for the time being. But thank you very much for watching the video. Leave a comment down below and consider subscribing if this is the kind of content that you're into. And just a friendly reminder that it doesn't matter if you're working on your project in a garage or out in your driveway. What matters is that you go out there, you do the job yourself, and you learn more about your project, whatever that project may be. My name is Zane, and I'll catch you next time.